being on the watershed along
Yes,
the
yes.
area near probably here 50 years, right? 50 years ago.
Yeah. So you see, we just got these aerial photographs and did a photogrammetric mapping. That was originally nothing special. It was quite standard procedure. Only because of the wood, when we couldn't measure especially in a certain local area, he wasn't sure whether the measurements were right or were exact. And so somebody had to go there. That was it.
And what you have found?
Huh?
And what did you find in the area? It seems it's contrary to the French map, right?
Yeah. I mean, I just, we had, with the photogrammetric map which we made here, we had already clarified the watershed is on the edge. Only here was a little, was it, where the measurements were not reliable. So I had to measure this on the spot in the field, and then we just delivered that map with the watershed line.
Where exactly the watershed lie in the area?
On the cliff.
On the cliff.
Yeah.
Meaning that boundary line, if it follow the watershed, if it go, the temple must belong.
Would have been to the watershed is really along that cliff. It's a bit tilted, and that was quite clear and accurate. And then the whole temple would be to the north of that line.